While most people are still sleeping, the world's top CEOs are already winning the day. What if I told you that just one habit, practiced before 6 a.m., could completely change your life and your bank account? Let's talk about the million-dollar habit that successful leaders never, ever skip. You don't need millions in your account to start thinking like a millionaire. But you do need discipline, clarity, and focus. 3 things every top executive practices before the rest of the world even wakes up. This isn't about hustle culture or burnout. It's about strategic silence. It's about using the quietest part of the day to build an unbreakable foundation for success. The secret isn't just waking up early. It's what you do with that precious, uninterrupted time that makes all the difference. Think about the hours between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. There are no distractions. No emails pinging, no calls buzzing, no meetings demanding your attention. It's just pure golden silence and focus. This is the sacred time that CEOs guard fiercely. They use it to plan, to think deeply, and to architect the future of their empires. It's no coincidence that the most powerful people on the planet prioritize this time. Jeff Bezos famously said he makes his highest quality decisions early in the day, before decision fatigue sets in. Elon Musk blocks out his mornings for deep work on his most critical engineering problems. They understand a fundamental truth: clarity creates money and chaos destroys it. While others are hitting the snooze button, they're building momentum that carries them through the entire day. So, what is the million-dollar habit itself? It's not some complicated formula or expensive biohack. Simply this: intentional reflection and planning before sunrise. It's about dedicating 20 to 30 minutes every single morning to writing down your goals, visualizing your desired outcomes, and reviewing your top priorities. The key here is the environment. No phone, no social media, no news. Just you, a pen, and your mission. Most people wake up and immediately start reacting to the world, checking emails, scrolling feeds, and letting other people's agendas dictate their day. They chase an endless list of tasks. CEOs, on the other hand, chase purpose. They start their day proactively, aligning their actions with their grandest vision. They aren't just doing things. They're moving with intention toward a specific destination. This simple act of grounding yourself in your purpose before the world rushes in is what separates the extraordinary from the average. Now, how do you actually implement this? The routine behind the habit is just as important as the habit itself. You don't have to shock your system by suddenly waking up at 4 a.m. tomorrow. Start small. For this week, just wake up 30 minutes earlier than you normally do. Use that time to sit down with a notebook and write down the top 3 things that will move you closer to your definition of freedom, whether that's financial, creative, or personal. Then ask yourself one powerful question: what will I do today that my future self will thank me for? This isn't about creating a massive to-do list. It's about identifying the few critical actions that truly matter. Do this every single morning for 21 days. It's said that's how long it takes to form a new neural pathway. You'll find that you start thinking differently. Your language will change. You'll speak with more clarity and conviction. And most importantly, you'll start acting like the leader of your own life, like a CEO. In the end, success isn't built overnight. It's built in the quiet moments before the world wakes up. The million-dollar habit isn't about chasing money first. It's about cultivating the right mindset first. It's about mastering your inner world so you can conquer the outer world. Because once you learn to think like a CEO, with clarity, with purpose, and with unwavering focus, the money, the success, and the impact inevitably follow. You become the architect of your own destiny, one sunrise at a time. If you're serious about your growth, your wealth, and your leadership, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's build the habits that make millionaires together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.